In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Zoho Mail to Gmail. If you're switching inboxes or just want everything in one place, forwarding your messages from Zoho Mail to Gmail is quick and clean. We'll walk through the exact spots to click so you can set it once and get back to work. Start by opening your browser and going to mail.zoho.com. When your Zoho Mail inbox loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click that gear to open your mail settings. Inside settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Mail Accounts. This section groups the options that affect where your messages come from and where they can go. Take your time as you scroll. Some layouts place mail accounts a bit lower on the page. Once you're in Mail Accounts, select Forwards. This is the place that tells Zoho where to automatically send a copy of your incoming mail. Forwarding is different from importing or syncing. Instead of pulling old mail into Gmail, it simply pushes new messages along as they arrive. In the Forwards area, enter the Gmail address where you want to receive your Zoho mail. Type carefully and double check for typos. An extra character or a missing dot can send messages to the wrong place or nowhere at all. If you manage multiple Gmail addresses, choose the one you check most often so your workflow stays simple. That's the core setup. From this point forward, new mail that arrives in Zoho will be forwarded to the Gmail address you entered. Depending on your settings, Zoho may also keep a copy in your Zoho inbox, which can be helpful for backup or for searching later. If you ever need to pause or change forwarding, you can return to the same forwards area under Mail Accounts and adjust the address you entered. Let's recap for clarity. Go to mail.zoho.com, click the gear icon in the top right to open settings, scroll to Mail Accounts, choose Forwards, and enter your Gmail address. With those steps complete, your messages start flowing to Gmail so you can handle everything from one inbox. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, keep these directions handy for the next time you reorganize your email workflow.